The Mamlo Chera Cement Limited Employees Union have resolved to urge the state government to consider upgrading the existing plan. The resolution was adopted at the union's annual general meeting in Sora on Monday. Mccl President Shanlang Dingdo said they want the existing plan to be upgraded if there is a way out. Dingdo said the other two demands of the union are the payment of regular salaries and the implementation of the VRS scheme or golden handshake even, as he informed that they are waiting for an official invitation from the government to discuss this issue. Pointing out that the employees can do nothing more than appeal, he said the state government, Plan Management Hima Sora and Hima Mamlo have to take the final decision on the closure of the plan together.
General body you yatai rengkar hi klaim kan kam ta de kata kada ngi la donang ni alpo prasam ngi la yatai hala ka jong ka benta ngi la yu i gini jing e te ban kan ni isu bengi sukan lap la ru kalong ka bamlong benginkan de kata kada kan ka por ka step ka bengi las dang ni ka meeting ngi la yo ni saindur ngi la yo ni slok ba kenang ba kan ko ka bami ka subject ka bedi ka pat la ni ka benta ka jong ki no play kanum perkala la ni penting ba yong iki priu pen na bar. Jadi kata kadang isu sih kan ke por saya sistem yang ini kesoka ke bangsa. Lagu nunu kan harap tu ban perkhat yang ke factory ban penyak sistem. Lagi nunu kilat nanti. Kenapa kan yo ban ai yang ban generate yang ke kam ke jam iki long dia. Kata kada ke benta